Hi everyone, I received the Bargain Bead Box Spring Rain Kit in the mail, actually late yesterday, but I just got it out of the mailbox this morning and man was it cold. I hope these beads are okay because it's cold out there today in southeastern Pennsylvania. Anyway, this month in the spring rain it says, and it did come in tissue paper, but I've taken it was just a white tissue paper this time, like that. See, I didn't want to crinkle too much for you. It says with rich aqua colors and antique copper findings. That sounds pretty. This month's collection evokes the refreshing rejuvenation of gentle spring rains. I am so ready for spring. Highlights include bold agate drops and a full strand of tiny faceted apatite rounds. Ooh, I love apatite. In fact, I think I just bought a larger size apatite somewhere else over the weekend. With a palette of aqua glass, crystal, and gemstone beads in a variety of textures and finishes. And then of course we get a coupon code, and then on the back of the sheet we have a listing. So let me set this up and I'll be right back and I'll share it with you. Okay everyone, I have everything laid out, and unfortunately I have a little gap here unless it's stuck onto something, but I have checked everywhere I can think and I cannot find number 17. So I did email Bargain Bead Box already, and I'll see what they say. I've asked them if they just have them to please send it to me, but I'll tell you what that is when we get to it. So the first thing is 36mm Teardrop Chandelier focal, and it has LF, which is lead free, and NF, which is nickel free, and then a little asterisk says made of pewter alloy with antique copper finish, lead free, nickel free. It does also on this asterisk say cadmium free, but they don't have the CF behind this particular one. But that's a really beautiful focal. It doesn't have to be a pendant, but I think it looks like a nice one. Really beautiful. I like the antique copper color, so I'm happy to have that. So that's one. And then two is chain in antique copper. This is a meter, which is roughly a yard, of 3x2mm steel jewelry chain. It's a fine chain. I had to use a dainty, it's almost like a Rollo, but it's not because they're more oval links, 3x2, but that's what it looks like. Very pretty. And they give you lots. Number 3 is 2 pieces, 30x21 fancy shield links. Ooh, they're heavy. Those are heavy, substantial pieces. I don't know that I would use them for earrings. I think they'll probably be pendants as well. They almost have like a heart design on the inside, and they're double-sided, which is nice. And it's open here, so you can put something through it. Different. I've never seen anything like that one. I won't use them for earrings, but they're pretty. I like them. I like them. Okay, number 4 is 25x15mm faceted aqua quartz teardrop pendant, dyed, permanently dyed and heat treated is the indication. And it does have a hole through the top up here, so you could use a bail or a jump ring through it or whatever. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. I love the color. Love the color. I am, as you probably know, am behind. I haven't done December or January's jewelry yet. Getting ready to use December's very soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, number 5 is 4-piece Chandelier Findings. These are lightweight and single-sided, and they have a really pretty design as well. And if you wanted to have them double-sided, you could essentially put them together somehow. I don't know what I'll do with them yet, so we'll have to wait and see. But they're pretty. I do like them. They're 26 by 17 Chandelier Findings, nickel free. But it also has the asterisk down to the pewter alloy with antique copper finish. Okay, number 6. These are gorgeous too. 10 pieces, 13.5 by 10.5 millimeter pressed glass leaf charms in aqua ombre. Now I think I bought some of these in a different color ombre, but these are gorgeous. I love, love, love these. And do we have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 pieces. They're gorgeous. They're cold. Everything is cold because it was out in my mailbox overnight. My mail used to come earlier, and now it's sometime between 3:30 and like 7 at night. Just depends. And actually, it was on their truck from the night before, but they didn't deliver it. Yet they did deliver my other mail. And I got an alert, unable to deliver. But yes, they could, because they delivered my other mail. Anyway, I got it. I mean, that was Monday, and then I got it on Tuesday, but I didn't bring it in until this morning. So this is number 7, excuse me. 6-inch strands, 6.5 millimeter, top drilled. These are pretty. They're different. They're top drilled, meaning they're not drilled right through the center. They're drilled off center. Glass rondelle beads in aqua shimmer. That's why they're all wonky on the strand. That's interesting. They're pretty. They're a really pretty color. I love that color. I love all this aqua. And it does sort of look like, you know, little shimmery raindrops, if you will, right? Then number 8 is a 7-inch strand, 4 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in frosted aqua. 4 by 3 millimeter, okay. Yeah, so because these are real shiny, and then these are not. Love them. They're not the most even rondelles, you know. It's Chinese glass, but it's pretty. I like it. You don't always need everything to be perfectly round and stuff. So I like them anyway. This is number 9, 10-gram bags, I don't know how many, of 15.5 millimeter dagger drops. Ooh, they're cold. So daggers are typically check glass. It doesn't say that they are. These are metal. Well, I think they're metal. Yes, because it's got LF, NF, CF, lead-free, nickel-free. These are metal daggers. And let's see how many that 10-gram bag is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them in my bag. In a 10-gram bag. Those are nice. I like them too. Okay. Number 10. 12-piece strand, 10 millimeter matte striped crystal round beads, blue green iris. They're pretty. 12-piece strand. I think I have these, perhaps, or something similar. They're like frosted on the ends and clear through the middle, transparent, I mean. And what color did they call them? Blue green iris, yep. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my, now I'm anxious to work with this one, but I'm so far behind the other ones. Okay, so this is 14-inch strand, 2 millimeter, finely faceted natural apatite gemstone round beads. These are these teeny tiny ones. 2 millimeter is small. Look how sparkly they are, though. They're beautiful, though, but they're small, and the hole is going to be really small through them, too. Aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness, so pretty. Yep. Okay, and then we have number 12, 2-piece, 16 by 8 millimeter handmade porcelain oval beads in spring rain. They have blues and greens on them. So pretty. They have a little bit larger hole because they're handmade. You can see There's some loose porcelain in there still, or finish. Yeah, where the rod comes out. One's darker than the other one. Well, that side looks pretty. Aren't they pretty? Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, number 13. I think I have some of these too. 10-piece, 12 by 6 millimeter crystal teardrop briolet beads, teal champagne. I'm pretty sure I do have these. They're gorgeous. They're two-tone color, teal and champagne. There's the champagne side. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. I think I'm loving this box, bag, whatever you want to call it. Number 14, 10-gram bag of 5 by 4 millimeter fluted rondelles. We've seen these before. I think I got some of these maybe in the brass color though as a free gift. You get quite a few. I'm not going to take them all out. You get like double that amount. So they're nice too. Super pretty. Super duper pretty. They're ooh. And there went one of them on the floor. Hang on. Be right back. Alright, I found it. He tried to escape, or it tried to escape, but I caught him. Okay, number 15. These look interesting. 5-piece, 32 by 38 millimeter agate, top drilled drop beads, crackled aqua. Ooh. They're interesting. Crackle agate, crackled aqua, top drilled drop beads. They're neat. I had to figure out what I want to do with them. These two look more teal, and the rest, these look like a darker blue teal, and this one is more aqua with some dark blue in it. Super pretty. Alright. I'm not sure. I'll put them back later because I'll never be able to get them in now. Number 16. 10-inch strand, 6 millimeter stardust, textured round glass beads, blue-green metallic. Oops, one came loose. They're pretty. Frosted. Blue-green metallic. They're very lightweight. I wonder what they're... It says they're glass. Oops, that one looks like the finish is come off some. Anyway, maybe that's why they gave me an extra one. I don't know. Okay, number 17 is the one that's missing, which is 50-piece 7 millimeter teardrop drops. 7 millimeter is small, but they appear to be metal because it has the LF and FCF under by it, which is lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. And number 18 is 50-piece bumpy star bead caps. I've had these before, I think, in different colors. These are small, 5.5 millimeter. Okay. Oops. And how many do you get? 50 pieces, so that's a lot. Oops. They just don't want to stay with me here today. Yep. And there's another one of those bumpy beads. Number 19, these look interesting. 3 sets teardrop toggle clasp, lead free. Okay. They're pretty. Oh, I like that bar. It's different. Oh, look at that. So that is what they look like. I like them. Very nice. Different. Sort of kind of art deco-y to me almost, but pretty cool. Number 20, 4-piece fan, 17 by 16 millimeter fan chandelier links, lead free, cadmium free. Oh, they're different too. Those are kind of cool. They're all little holes down in here, so you can go from, how many holes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes there to 1 hole here, or well, actually there's 3 there, but yeah, so you could either go 9 to 3, or you could just use it as a charm, which, or I might use it. I don't know how I use it yet. It all depends. When I sit down to play, it just depends on, you know, what comes to mind at that time, how things are fitting together and all that. Okay, number 21 is 7-inch strand, 6mm crackle agate round beads in light aqua. These are dyed and heated. Very pretty. These are gemstones in crackle agate. I like that you get the color variation. Very pretty. And these are 6mm. Yep. Love those. Love, love. I'll put them away later. And the last thing, we get 22 this time. 14.5-inch strand, 8mm quartz round beads. Aqua Waves, it's called. And these are dyed. Not heated, but dyed. These are definitely cold. But everything is cold in here, so really pretty color. I don't see where they're saying Aqua Waves. I guess that's just what they named it. Super pretty. Love this kit. Love it. It's beautiful. Not sure what I'm going to make with it yet. I have a couple ideas, but I'll keep them to myself for the moment. I am very anxious to get playing with this, but I probably won't be until I use the December and January kit. December's was the lapis and snowflake beads and things, and I'm going to be using that soon. And then I'll try and get right to the January one as well, and at least make a few things with it. And then I'm going to get started on this. And like I said, I do have an email into bargain bead box already for number 17 that's missing, which is 7mm teardrop drops, and they appear to be in the copper pewter alloy. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. What a beautiful box, right? If you like the blues and aquas and things, this is gorgeous. Can't wait to play. I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.